Hello good people, welcome to yet another vlog. So this is a Christmas vlog. I don't know if I will be posting after this vlog because holidays and stuff, but let me just show you. I'm here to unbox a few things that I bought. Just two things really. So we bought a microwave. Our old microwave broke down, so we had to buy another one. So this is it. We just brought it in. I think there is a clip of my niece unboxing it. So yeah, this is how it looks. There's some tape here. We have to remove it, right?
But not now.
We'll do it later. But yeah, this is how it looks.
Do you need help?
Do I need to remove this from the box, Daddy?
Not yet.
Not really, right? Okay. So there's a manual. Then that's microwave plate. I don't know what to call it. Then this thing. I don't know what to call it as well. But yeah, we got a new microwave. It's a Defy 130 liter microwave.
130 liter or 30 liter?
Sorry, plus it's a Defy 30 liters microwave. It was going for 130.
130.
Defy, but we ended up buying it at some store called I've forgotten the name of the shop. I'll write it down. But we ended up buying it for 120. And it has a 12 months warranty, so I'm not worried. I was worried about not buying from Defy. But when they said they would give us a warranty, then I said, no, it's fine. We just take it from here.
Oh, 2 year warranty.
It's a 1 year warranty because it's written on the receipt.
Oh, okay.
Forget about what's written on the box. So yeah, this is it. Now that I put this back, I can't close the door.
Don't worry about it.
Okay, let me put it on top. Now I want to close it and show you how it works, guys.
But it's not
So,
on.
It's really nice. It's not what?
Do you want to show us how it works by my buttons or?
Okay. Oh no, these are the buttons. So of course this is how you open. It's not refusing.
No,
Yeah, it's not sitting properly. Yeah, but yeah, we're happy about this. And then the other thing that I'm unboxing is this. I hope I'll be able to lift it. Let me just pull it. It's not that heavy. I can lift it. Oh my god. So this is a card. What do you call it? Kadak.
Yeah, Kadak.
Kadak casting 9 kgs. So we bought this from Mohamed Musa. It was going for for $69.
Which is like 70.
Yeah. Okay, let me leave it. I can't leave it. Ooh. So we decided to buy Kadak because we've been buying a lot of gas tanks, but they are not durable. You know, they stop working after a few months. So we thought, let's just buy Kadak and see if it works better and if it's more durable and if it will last longer. So it was going for $69. But then there was even another 9 kg gas tank from another brand. I don't remember the brand. It was actually going for $28. Can you believe that? So, you know, it can't be that good quality at that price. So yeah, we are happy about this. And we also got the pipes and, you know, all those things that they use to connect to the stove. So yeah, I'll see you on the next chapter of the vlog when I show you other stuff. I hope I will have more to unbox.
Are you planning on buying?
Because yeah, I hope I'll be able to unbox some other things because I want to buy clothes. Okay. I might not, I'm not promising, but I'll see you on the next part of the vlog.
Okay.
Thank
Bye.
you. Guys, the craziest thing just happened. I won an air fryer. So I entered this competition on Facebook and I actually won it. Can you imagine? I am so happy. Wow, I just found out just now. And right now I'm at Nando's. I'm about to have lunch. It's payday weekend and you know what we do on paydays, right? It's payday Friday. And I'm gonna have half chicken at Nando's without chips. The last time I was here, the chips weren't so nice. But yeah, so I'm going to show you my meal and I'll show you the air fryer when I get it. Yeah. Wow, what a surprise. I'm in shock. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. So today I'm not having chips. The last time I was here, the chips were really bad. It was almost as if they were not properly cooked. And I didn't want to torment myself like that again this time around. So I'm just having meat alone. I'll have tea with it. I'm waiting for the tea. Yeah, so that's what I'm having. I said I had won an air fryer. That was on Friday when I was at Nando's, right? So I'm going to collect the air fryer now, and I was told to collect it at Capri Pomona branch. So that's where I'm headed. So I realized also that I didn't properly intro this vlog. So if you are new here, my name is Rudairo, and this channel is about me showing you my life and how I navigate life as a person with disability. If you are a returning subscriber, I see you and I appreciate you. Thank you. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe and share. We want to grow this family. I'm hoping that I will get to 1,000 subscribers by December 2026. And I'm going to try and put in the work and post as often as possible. I know I'm not doing you justice in terms of how often I'm posting, but also I'm thinking if I post my vlogs back to back, who are the people who are going to watch those vlogs? So I want to give you time to watch one, and then if it's 3 weeks for people to just watch the vlogs, and then I'll post once that one has been watched by at least most of my subscribers. And yeah, so I can't be posting back to back until I have built a huge community, until I have at least let's say 500 subscribers because 1,000 is a lot, and I'm realizing that getting subscribers is not easy. And also, I don't know, maybe my content isn't that nice, or I don't know, but I'm just praying and hoping that I'll get more content ideas and post often and actually get to 1,000 subscribers by end of 2026. So yeah, let's go to Pomona to collect the air fryer. There's a tour.
Kana kutora foto ndo ritavetika. Ndopinda nemumvura. Tongopinda ichera se.
So to answer the charge, I won.
Really? So where were you so long to come and get it?
I found out on Friday afternoon, and then he got a message, and then I got the response, man. Alright, no, that's fine.
Starting from the name, and then here it is your full name and your signature. So it's nice when you do something and people participate. Because you can do something and nobody participates. I didn't expect to at all. I just did that. And then I put it up. My sister goes to the hall. Oh wow, so that makes it even more fun. Congratulations, Francis, your air fryer. Oh, that's right. But one pound. No more.
It does say orange. So family, this is the part where I did the unboxing of the air fryer. It was around 6 p.m. when I got home, and I just did the unboxing on the same day. I was talking in this video, but there were a lot of background noises, so I thought let me just remove the audio from the video and do a voiceover. So that was me opening the box. I tried to open it, but it was difficult seeing that I was sitting. So I just got someone to remove the air fryer from the box for me. And there it is, our very first air fryer. Can't wait to start using it. Well, yes, we haven't used it yet, but we're gonna do that very soon. So that mesh wire thingy is where you put the meat when you're grilling it, and then you put that tray underneath to collect the oil from the meat. Well, not underneath really, but on the floor of the air fryer. And then that pan, they call it a pizza pan. So it's for your pizzas, for baking. Yeah. And then I removed that plastic thingy. So there it is. What a beauty. Many thanks to Better Buy and Capri for this air fryer. And then Zessa left the chat. Anyway, thank you all for watching. Bye.